Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. This month's featured OE fix is our exclusive transmission oil cooler connector, now available for popular Ford Explorer and Mercury Mountaineer applications from 2010 to 2007. Original connectors typically require replacement due to corrosion and failure of the original rubber gasket, which can eventually lead to fluid leaks. When the original connector fails, replacement from the dealer is time-consuming and costly, and requires the purchase of an entirely new radiator for a complete transmission oil cooler line repair. Dorman's OE fix addresses this common failure mode by offering the transmission oil cooler connector separately, enabling replacement of just the failed connector instead of the entire assembly. Dorman now offers new light and medium-duty diesel particulate filters, or DPFs, for some of today's most in-demand vehicle applications, including Ford Super Duty trucks from 2010 to 2008. Diesel particulate filters are an integral component of the vehicle's diesel engine, helping to remove diesel particulate matter and soot. Dorman DPFs are 100% new, not remanufactured, for quality assurance and a longer service life. Additionally, all our DPFs are constructed of optimized platinum group metals and include all the required gaskets and hardware for a complete repair where applicable. Our new and exclusive vapor canister vent valve offers expanded late model coverage for over 2 million Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Plymouth applications from 2006 to 1998. Our vapor canister vent valves are thoroughly tested and constructed of durable materials to meet product standards and deliver quality. Dorman vapor canister vent valves are application-specific, ensuring proper fit, form, and function every time. Our growing category of power steering coolers now includes coverage for Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC applications from 2013 to 1999. Original power steering coolers often fail due to rust, road debris, and cracking. With over 10 SKUs available, covering more than 12 million vehicles on the road today, Dorman's power steering coolers are coated for extra protection against corrosion, providing extended durability and a longer service life. Additionally, hoses are included to assist with installation. Also available this month is our direct replacement secondary air injection pump for over 1 million Mercedes-Benz applications from 2015 to 2005. The primary function of the secondary air injection pump is to inject fresh air into the exhaust system to reduce emissions. Essential for emissions control, our secondary air injection pump is quality tested to meet the fit and endurance of the original pump. Also available this month, Toyota air intake hose, 20 coolant reservoirs, over 10 power window switches, 30 new control arms, and over 10 drive shaft assemblies.